them, you know what I say. If you don't, I'm Kweenpin K. You're watching what? Kweenpin Entertainment. Welcome back, Kweenpin Crew. I'm back with another lit video for you today. As you can see by the title, the description, and all of that good shenanigans, this is another unboxing video. And today I am unboxing Juvia's Place again. Before I get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell so you can see when the Kweenpin is posting. Also, don't forget to comment down below what your favorite makeup is, your favorite makeup brands, and any brands that you would want to see me do a haul from. And it doesn't even have to just be makeup. It could be clothing, makeup, shoes, anywhere. Also, feel free to follow me on my socials. They will be linked somewhere on the side. I think I'm going to start off with eyeshadows since you guys already seen eyeshadows before, and there's some new stuff. There's not that much different things. It's mostly eyeshadow and I think like 4 lipsticks, so it's not anything too crazy. I think I'm going to start with biggest palettes to smallest palette. No, I'm going to start smallest to largest palettes. Yeah. So we're going to start off with like 4 mini palettes, and this one is and they're called the Rebels. Yeah, they're called the Rebels, and this one is gray. Ooh, I'm really excited about this one because I do want some silvers, especially for the winter time. Like, silvers and grays are really cute colors for that time. Ooh, that's pretty. That's really pretty. That's really pretty. Oh yes, and if you guys want me to do like a whole swatch video, I will do some swatches on these palettes. Just make sure you guys comment down below which palettes you want to see swatches from, or if you just want like a whole swatch video, which I'm thinking about doing because like I have so many new palettes from them now that I just want to swatch them all. Now we have Honey. Oh yes. These right here, I can already tell the whole palette. I can already tell you the whole palette is gorgeous. Honey might be my favorite one so far. I mean, it's only been 2. It's definitely my favorite so far, but I don't know. This is ranked high right now. It's just so freaking cute. Like, the colors are so freaking cute. In Hello Transition shades. Next, we have Army, which I'm excited for. Like, I used to not like green as a color growing up, but now that I'm older, I really like green. I'm talking about like 2nd or 3rd favorite color. Like, and I used to hate green. I used to hate like green, yellow, orange, brown, like all the earthy tones. I used to like hate that. Yes to these 2 right here in particular. These 2 right here, yes ma'am. And can I just stop and say, okay, cover art, because the cover art that Juvia's Place be having is like so beautiful. Like, I'm talking about pieces you would have just hung up on your wall, framed somewhere. Super duper cute. And the last mini palette I got today is the Mints, or it's just called Mints. So yeah, I'm super excited about this one. I like the color Mints. I like mint green. I think it's really cute. So I am excited to look at this palette. Oh, Party Foul. Okay, and those look like those would have been some really cute colors. I'm not going to blame them for this one. I'm not going to blame them because my cats were messing with this box, so I don't know. I'm just going to have to order a new one. I don't care though, because this one actually, it was actually really affordable on sale, so I really don't care. And it looks like the colors are super duper cute, so I doubt all their packaging is like that, and I'm not going to blame them. But okay, let's get into the bigger palettes now, and I am so excited about those. I had to give it a shake to see if I heard anything, okay? Okay, so first up for the big palettes, we got the Zulu. Again, with the cover art. Beautiful, beautiful cover art. Okay, I'm gonna be careful with this opening. Oh, yes to the whole thing. Yes to the whole thing. Look at these beautiful, vibrant colors. They are so freaking incredible. These colors are so vibrant. Look at this purple. And they're so smooth. They're smooth like butter. Oh my goodness. Beautiful, beautiful palette. I don't know. This might beat the honey. I don't know. I don't know though. Next for big palettes, we have the Festival. And I am so excited. Like, this is a cute cover art. This is really, really pretty. So I am excited to open this. And I don't remember what colors were in here, but I could tell by the packaging it's going to be a nice, vibrant palette, which I am super excited for because, I don't know, it's going to give me a chance to express myself through my makeup. And I feel like more people should step out of their comfort zone and shy away from doing like only natural looks. Like, you should do looks that really pop, especially if your outfit is more like toned down or like regular. Maybe have your pop of color be within your eyeshadow or your lips, you know, just anything. So yeah. Okay, these colors are sexy, especially this color right here and this color right here. These two right here, oh yes. Oh, and they have names. Hold on, did the Zulu palette have names? No. Cute. This is my first palette by them that had names. I like that. I cannot pronounce any of these, but I am going to learn. So yeah, but those two colors right here, oh yes, yes ma'am. It's crazy. I thought this was gonna be like more, I thought these were gonna be super like out there colors like the last palette, like the Zulu, but it's not, and I'm not mad at it. It's like this one's pretty out there, and I like it, but it's like their color, but they're like a little more toned down, which I also really, really like. So yeah. Next for bigger palettes, we have the Magic Mini, which I was actually really excited for because that is so cute. Like, I like little witchy woos. So Magic is super cute. Also, that's my cat's name. So that's one of my cat's names. And yeah, I don't know what colors I think are gonna be in this palette because I thought the last one was gonna be super vibrant. So I really don't know. I forgot. I looked, but I ordered these a while ago, so I forgot what was even, like what I even ordered. I just knew I wanted them. I really, 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 really like these all of these colors. The shimmers in this palette are freaking beautiful. Beautiful. And again, they have names, so that is super cute. I love being able to put a name to an eyeshadow or to a product or to anything. I like when things have names. But yes, I really, really like this palette. This color right here, I don't know, it's like black, it's like blackish, like green. I don't know, it's like really, really dark green, almost black. It's really, really cute. Let me see if I can swatch this real quick. I don't even know what color this is. I still don't know. Like, I'm looking and I don't know what color it is. So it's like black green. I want to have some fun with that color. I really, really like that. But I also like this color right here. Oh my gosh. This palette is really, really cute. Like, Magic Mini makes me want to see the full Magic palette. Like, which is the Magic Big Daddy? You know, which is Big Daddy Magic? Because I want to see that one. Now, last but not least, for the palettes, we have drum roll. The Nubian 2. So around the time I got this one, the Nubian, the original Nubian was sold out. And I think that might have been their first palette, but I could be lying. I got the Nubian 2 instead because why not? And the cover art again, so beautiful. You know what? I think I'm gonna do a challenge for myself where I'm just gonna try to recreate the makeup on some of their cover art. Yeah, so if you guys want to see me do that, comment down below if you think that'd be a good idea and if you want to see me try. Mind you guys, I am not one of those super artistic makeup artists, like those people who be drawing like whole cities on their eyelids. I am not one of them. I am not gonna claim to be like the best makeup artist around or anything, but I think I do my makeup good enough to do a little something something. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, these colors right here. These colors right here. Okay, this is my favorite palette so far that I own by them completely. And as you guys can see, I own a couple of their other smaller palettes. I don't know if you guys can see them, but I own a couple of their other smaller palettes. And that's from the first unboxing. So make sure you check that out, by the way. But this one is, oh my gosh. Oh my god. I don't even know. I'm speechless. I really, oh my god. Like, that's all I can say. This palette is beautiful. Like, oh yes, yes. If I only do a swatch video on one palette, it's gonna be this one. This palette is beautiful. Literally, like, beautiful to die for. I am obsessed. I am. I don't have any words, so I'm gonna shut up and get to the next items because I just can keep saying, oh my gosh, all of these colors. Juvia's Place. Oh yes, you did your big one. You did your big two, your big few. You did them. Last but not least, we have some lipsticks. I don't recall how much these lipsticks are by themselves, but I know I got them in a bundle, so you can get a lot of their lipsticks bundled. And this was the chocolate bundle. They have like the nude bundle and like the I don't know, but I'll put some of the bundles on the side here. I want like all their lipsticks. I've seen their lipsticks on people and they look good as fuck. So I really want like all of them, especially since I purged like this combo you see, you're gonna see for a minute until I unbox these because I threw away like all my lipsticks and like all my lip gloss. I like completely purged. So these are the, outside of one lipstick that I'm actually gonna throw away after I open this, these are the only lipsticks I have in my collection as of right now. Look at the cover art. The cover art on the lipstick is just beautiful. So yeah, these are the chocolates. So the colors we got are Lady, Cocoa, Muted, and Toffee. I love Toffee. Toffee is good as hell. We're gonna start with Lady. Oh, this packaging is so cute. And they got a little J on the front. Or on the top. It's such a cute, and it's smooth. It has like this nice smooth feel to it. Y'all, I highly recommend. I'm highly recommending them right now. Like 1 to 10, I'm giving their overall company like a 10. Yes, I like the color of this. Not only do I like the color of this, I like what the texture looks like. The texture looks really, really good. It makes you want to bite it a little bit. And I like the shape. I've never seen a lipstick this shape before. And so I really, really, really like this. This is very unique to me. So if I'm late, I know I'm late on the company, but if I'm late on other stuff, let me know because this is beautiful. Oh, it's soft. It's very soft. Oh, and it doesn't smell bad. Okay, let's do a little swatch of it. Oh, that's nice. That's really smooth. Oh yes, yes. See, I knew I started good. I knew I started my collection fresh and good by starting off with Juvia's Place as the first new makeup I add to my collection. Next up, we have Muted. Same outside. On the bottom, it tells you what it is. At the top, same cute little J. That's a cute color too, and it's just a little bit darker than the previous shade. So I really do like that as well. Time to swatch it. Oh yes, it's almost, yeah, it's just like, it's just a little bit darker, and it's almost like the undertone is a little bit different. I will swatch this in like a quick short video, like a TikTok or a reel or a YouTube short. I'll swatch the lipsticks in a video like that so you guys can get a better video, because right now I'm kind of wearing a long sleeve and I don't feel like pulling all of this up. So yeah, I will say those first two colors, they're not light for me, but I'm definitely going to be wearing them with like a brown lip liner. Definitely brown lip liner, pair that. But I've really been feeling my black lip liner lately, so I'm excited to see how that looks ombre with black, a dark brown to one of those shades. Oh my god, I know that's gonna eat so bad. So next up we have Toffee. I'm excited about this one. I think this one's gonna be so freaking cute. This color is sexy. This is one of those browns that I've been looking for a minute, and I am so happy. So happy to have this. When I say I cannot get over the texture of this lipstick, it looks really good. It looks like so appetizing. The color, the shape, like all of it just makes you want to go like, you know, like a weirdo. I don't know, I'm tempted. Should I bite it? I don't know. It looks good. Toffee for the win. Oh yes, ma'am, yes ma'am, yes ham, yes turkey. That color is nice. That color is real nice. And when I say this stuff is smooth, I'm not kidding. This lipstick is smooth as hell. And that was Toffee's, ladies and gentlemen. And people. And last, but very much not least, the last thing in the whole haul is one final lipstick in the color I really have been waiting for, because I just love a good brown lipstick. I mean, love it. Okay, so last but not least, we have chocolate. Oh, it's not chocolate, it's cocoa. We have cocoa. Yes to this color. Yes to this color. This color is what I've been waiting for. I'm talking about what I've been praying for, what I've been waiting for. Like, I am so ready to have this color. I want to put it on my lips right now. I sure do. It's so cute. I'm not going to, but I sure do. And that right there has one. This is why I picked Juvia's Place to be my first lipstick restock of anything, because like I just knew these colors were going to be bomb. I've seen them on the videos. I've seen them on people's clips. I knew these were going to be popping. I knew they were going to be bomb. And I'm glad I got them. Hell yeah. Okay guys, so that was everything in my Juvia's Place unboxing part 2, or box 2. So yeah, that was everything. I am so glad to have done this video. I am so glad to have all this new makeup, especially from a beautiful black owned company. Oh my god. I am so excited to get to my third box, because I actually have one more Juvia's Place unboxing to do. So make sure you stay tuned and be on the lookout for that video as well. Comment down below which one was your favorite palette, which was your favorite lipstick. Do you like the lipsticks more or the palettes more? And what type of products would you like to see overall? But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell so you can see when the Kweenpin is posting. And don't forget to follow me on my socials so you can stay tuned with the Kweenpin crew. Thank you guys so much again for tuning in. This video was so much fun to do and just so exciting. I don't know if you can tell, I can't stop smiling. I love getting new makeup. I love new stuff, but makeup especially, yes ma'am, yes ham, and yes turkey. Alright, without further ado, that's all I have to say. So if you know me, you know what I say. If you don't, I'm Kweenpin K, and thank you so much for watching Kweenpin Entertainment. Kweenpin out. In Juvia's Place, don't forget to hit me up. Let's work.